Hi guys, do you know you can get free merchandises that will be delivered directly to your doorstep and that will come from Google? You do not believe me? Watch this. I have got a couple of them and it came directly from Google. Just like these one, there are a different kind of product varieties in the Google catalog from which you can choose from. So all you have to do is you have to clear some certifications that will not only earn you a certificate but will also make you eligible to get free merchandises from Google. Let me show you what I have got from Google. I have got 3 merchandises for absolutely 0 rupees and this came from Google. Okay, so let's quickly review one by one. So the very first one is a black hat that has a Google branding and this is embroidered. Okay, so the quality of the hat is very good. So if you like hats, then you will definitely love it. The second item that I got is a Google branded t-shirt and the quality of the t-shirt is very good. If I have to rate it, then I will give it 8.5 out of 10. Okay, so the company that manufactured is Umlaut. I do not know which brand it is, but just for your reference, I ordered XL and I am 5 foot 11 inches, but L size will be also be good for you, so you can also go for that as well. But the quality is very good, and these two items I got for a certification that I have done some time back. So yeah, I will tell you later in this video. But other than these two, I have also got another package which I absolutely loving it. I have already opened it, so let me show you what it is. So basically it is a fleece jacket, Google branded fleece jacket, and the quality of this jacket is also very good. Okay, it has a Google Cloud branding on it, and this time the branding comes in a multiple color, the Google color, and it has a zipper in between, and also this is a high neck. You also get two zips on both of the ends. So this is a very good fleece jacket. This is very light, the material is very soft. So whenever I go outside, whenever I go to office wearing these three, people always ask me like, how do you get these, or like, did you work for Google or something like this? So definitely it feels great to show off these items. So now the main question is how you can earn these free merchandises from Google, or in Google terms these are also known as Google swags. So let me tell you, there are various ways by which you can earn these free swags, and the most popular one is by completing some kind of certification or by getting enrolled into some Google organized programs, after which you will be eligible to earn free merchandises or swags from their website. Okay, so let's talk about each of the ways in a detailed manner. The very first thing to consider is, if you are a student, and I will assume that you are not having much knowledge on cloud technologies, or in particular you are not having knowledge on Google Cloud, then I would suggest you to start with the courses that is offered by Google. Yeah, there are various courses which is offered by Google, and it is available on Google Cloud Learning platform. So you can go to that website and you can start various courses which are designed in a way that it will help you to make you aware of the services as well as the platform in a very better way. So you can start with those learning programs, and after that you can attempt the very basic certifications, or should I say these fundamental certifications which is offered by Google. And the name of this certification is Google Cloud Digital Leader. Okay, and after clearing that certification only, I got a t-shirt and a cap that I showed you previously in this video. So you can always go for the fundamental one. And guys, there is no barrier or a limitation that the fundamental is only limited to students only. No, if you are a professional as well, then you can always go for the fundamental, the Cloud Digital Leader program and the certification, and you can always start with the Google Cloud Digital Leader and then move to the professional ones. In professionals there are various certifications, for example Google PCA, which is professional cloud architect, then we have developer, then professional DevOps engineer. So based on your interest you can go for any of these certifications. I understand that doing this certification will incur some cost. You have to pay for these certifications, so I would recommend student, if you are a student, then do not pay for it. You can always opt in some kind of programs or some kind of events which is organized by Google, and after completion of those events you will be eligible to get high discount, maybe sometimes 50% discount, maybe sometimes 75% discount on these certifications. And sometimes Google will also allow you to take these fundamental certifications for free. If you clear any of the professional certification in Google, then definitely you will get certified, and with professional certification you will be getting a voucher that you can redeem to get free swags. Yeah, there's a possibility that you might not get those vouchers to redeem sometimes because of some technical issues or some issues from Google end, but you do not have to worry. All you have to do is focus on clearing those certifications, and this is one good way to get certified and also get a chance to earn free merchandises or swags from Google. But if you do not want to attempt these certification, then there are other ways as well. So there are various events which are organized by Google on timely basis that you can check on their website. You can go to Google Cloud Learning platform website, and there you will find the details of these events. Two events that I recall was, one is Google Arcade challenge, and another was Google Learn to One. Okay, so these kind of challenges or these kind of events are organized by Google, in which you can enroll for free, and after completion of those programs you will be eligible to get merchandises, as well as you will get exam discount vouchers as well that you can use in your next professional exams. So this is another way by which you can also get a chance to get free swags in Google. So I hope this information was useful to you, and I could be a help to you in this. So if you have any other doubt, you can always drop a comment, and you can always reach out to Google community or Google Cloud website, where you will find more information on this. So with this, I will end this video. Thank you for watching this, and have a nice day.